I just pulled the trigger and bought the best looking PC case on the market. This is a huge upgrade from the old office case that I used to have. This specific model comes with a tempered glass side panel. Also included is an accessory kit for screws, rubber grommets, and some zip ties for cable management. Fractal design pre-installs a 360mm fan. The front I/O is pretty standard with a headphone jack, microphone jack, 2 USB-A ports, and a USB-C port. Behind the back side panel is plenty of room for cable management and spots for your storage drives. And the back bottom of the case is where your power supply will go. This is my favorite case by far, and I'm definitely going to be keeping this for as long as I can. This is the Fractal Design North XL case, and there will be a link to it in the description.